Hello guys. SSD 640 Education welcomes you. Leo Tolstoy once said that a man can live and be healthy without killing animals for food. Therefore, if he eats meat, he participates in taking animal life merely for the sake of his appetite. This is true that for human requirement, human kills innocent animals. Human not only kills but give them extreme suffering in all possible way. Often we have seen people talking of heaven and hell. I hope all you are aware about that. According to me, the hell we talk, which is somehow similar to the suffering which these innocent animals experience. We must collectively work out to improve the condition of these animals. Nowadays, cell-cultivated meat, seen in news. Cultured meat, also known as cell-cultured meat or lab-grown meat, is a relatively new technology with the potential to address several ethical, environmental, and humanitarian issues. Let's explore these aspects in detail. 1. Cell-cultivated meat promote animal welfare. One of the primary ethical concerns in the meat industry is the treatment of animals. Traditional livestock farming often involves crowded and inhumane conditions, which result in suffering for animals. Cultured meat offers a more ethical alternative since it doesn't require the raising and slaughter of animals. 2. It will reduce suffering. Cultured meat production starts with a small number of animal cells, reducing the need for large-scale breeding and slaughter. This leads to significantly less suffering compared to traditional meat production methods. 3. Food security. Cultured meat has the potential to increase food security by providing a sustainable and efficient source of protein. It can be produced in controlled environments, reducing the risks associated with climate change, disease outbreaks, and other factors that affect traditional agriculture. 4. Resource efficiency. Traditional meat production requires vast amounts of land, water, and feed. In contrast, cultured meat has a much lower environmental footprint, making it a more efficient use of resources and reducing the pressure on ecosystems. 5. Solving food problems. Land use. Traditional livestock farming requires significant land for grazing and growing feed crops. Cultured meat can be produced in smaller, controlled facilities, freeing up land for other uses such as reforestation or sustainable agriculture. Water use. Livestock farming is water-intensive. Cultured meat production is considerably more water-efficient, helping to conserve this precious resource. 6. Greenhouse gas problem. Reduced emissions. The livestock industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, primarily methane and carbon dioxide. Cultured meat production generates fewer emissions because it doesn't involve the same level of land use, deforestation, and methane-producing livestock. Climate change mitigation. Shifting to cultured meat could contribute to global efforts to mitigate climate change by reducing emissions associated with traditional livestock farming. 7. Promoting nonviolence. Reduced harm. Cultured meat aligns with principles of nonviolence and compassion by reducing the harm inflicted on animals in the food production process. Cultural shift. The adoption of cultured meat could lead to a cultural shift toward more compassionate and sustainable food choices, promoting nonviolence not only towards animals but also towards the environment. Analysis. Cultured meat represents a promising technological advancement with the potential to address multiple pressing global issues. It can significantly improve animal welfare, increase food security, alleviate resource scarcity, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and promote non-violence in our food systems. However, it's essential to consider the challenges of scaling up production, ensuring affordability, and addressing any potential health and safety concerns. While cultured meat isn't a silver bullet that will solve all food related problems, it can be a valuable tool in a broader strategy for creating a more ethical, sustainable, and humane food system. Public awareness, regulatory support, and continued research and development are crucial to realizing the full potential of cultured meat and its positive impact on humanity and the planet. Thank you.